Hello everybody, ScotRail Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Carluke. There's 115 that brought me in from Glasgow Central, forming the 10:21 ScotRail service to Edinburgh from here. And as that makes its way down there, so today you'll be seeing services primarily by ScotRail and also some Virgin trains as well. We won't be seeing Transpennine or cross country that run down here. Yeah. Do we get it today? Here. Like, do we get it stopping? I know we get it passing and. Well, I know that, but I mean, do we see it today while we're here?
Depends if it's late.
Well, yeah, so yeah, in essence, we might see it if it's late.
Well, no, that would have been gone actually.
So it's gone.
The next
it's like
pass is...
Pendol.
We'd have to patch the 156.
The next pass is Sierra 37.
Yeah.
Fair dues. So yeah, that's pretty much Carluke here. So let's see what shall arrive and depart here then. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 10:31 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central. Aren't you recording?
I'll get it, leave.
Oh, fine. That's alright, man. No worries. So we have 380-010.
That one's always on there.
One of their 3-car sets compared to the 4-car that we went on. Oh, and here we have the 10:33 ScotRail service to Lanark from Glasgow Central with 318253, which we seen at Central. We did indeed. Okay, departing now is going to be 380-010 off to Glasgow Central with the Sutton 41, the 10:31 ScotRail service to Glasgow Central with 318-253 ready to depart any minute now. Well, actually it's got a 2-minute wait until it goes to its next stop of Lanark. Okay, departing now is going to be 318-253 off to Lanark with the 10:33 service, leaving a minute early actually. Reminds me of being at home. Looks like it has cancelled rail here, as it has the tilting effect of that train. And you can probably hear that line for about another 2 minutes. Okay, preparing to pass through now is going to be a Virgin Pendolino for Glasgow Central. And here it comes tilting its way through. I actually have no idea. Any idea? Exactly, I'm the same. I'll tell you, that's some... I heard that just crackled down my ear.
You know the best spark I ever had? 1 Echo 06 at a racing, that is just leg.
Okay, passing through now is going to be another Virgin Pendolino. B9123, I think, anyway. From Birmingham New Street to Glasgow Central. Was it 123? I think it's 123. Like City of Stoke-on-Trent.
Yeah, that's his name.
Wish it was called Brian. Okay, passing through now is going to be another Virgin Pendolino. 390,009, I think that was. Treaty of Union. Nice little wave from the driver there. Thank you to him. Okay, arriving in out of complete boo-ha is 320,09 with the 1101. ScotRail service to Lanark.
1103.
1103
to Glasgow.
Ah, so it's the 1103. Ah, the crossover.
Well, they should if Lanark Junction hadn't popped up.
You going uncut again? Like in Carlisle?
Oh yes, Carlisle.
Carlisle was great. That was great. Loved that day. Okay, finally departing is going to be the 1104 ScotRail service to Lanark with 320. Ah, fantastic! Boo! Hey! As I was saying, with 320, 309, with a two-tone which has now put me hard of hearing, and yeah, it's woke me up.
I'm going to the toilet.
Yes, same here.
Well, we've got to try for a few.
I think I've got brown jeans now. So unfortunately there's not going to be a last train of the day. Well, there is going to be the 323. Was it 303? Alright. Is it 303 the last train was?
309.
309, yeah. Because the 318 which is at Lanark has got a pantograph problem and now has been cancelled. Brilliant. Well, big congratulations to ScotRail. So I am going to...
Bellio for you.
Yep, that is a bellio for you. So I am going to conclude...
Visible trains and then trains with shite pantographs.
Yes, yes. So I'm going to conclude my video here from Carluke. So thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed.
Gentlemen, to be honest. There's me being a misogynist on camera.
Ha 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 ha.
I'm actually a nice person, honest.
Are you sure?
No.
So yeah, if you have enjoyed it, please feel free to like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, anything about mechanic, any station recommendations, leave it in the comments and I'll answer them as soon as I possibly can. So here today with me was ScotRail 17401, and then we got other channels.
So we've got the Dusty Bin Man,
Dusty Bin Man,
Class 318256.
Class 318256,
I've said
Alebio
Rail, yes.
Alebio Rail, and
who else? JDB 158.
JDB 158. Thank you.
Who else? Mac 47.
Mac 47, and that's it. So yeah, do check out all their channels. Oh, okay then. Very nice.
Just kidding.
Yeah, he's just kidding. He just said they are a bunch of crap, but they're not. They're not. So Carluke's been... It's been average. It's been alright. Got great tone. So... what?
253's brakes aren't releasing.
Oh, so it's stuck because of brakes.
Yeah.
Oh, well that's good. So, yeah, as Carluke's been a good station. We've only spent roughly about 40 minutes here because of what's happened. This video would have been a bit longer, but oh well, you can't really ask. It's British Rail, can't really say much. So my next station's going to be Motherwell up the line, which looks a lot better.
A lot busier anyway.
Yeah, a lot busier. Big station.
You've got all your Argyle line.
Yeah. And it's 4 platforms, so yeah.
Exactly, yeah.
So yeah, for me here at Carluke, I'll see you all in Motherwell. See you guys, and bye bye.